You have 2 bunny rabbits. Every month there are 4 times as many rabbits as there were the month before. You're going to graph the situation and completely label the axes. So we're going to graph it right here. So we start with 2 bunny rabbits, and they're going to be 4 times every month, 4 times as many. So to do this, what we first want to maybe do is think about what's happening. We want to make a kind of a small little table, probably. So we can kind of squeeze in a table down here, because if you don't do the table, it might be a little more complicated. So here we go. What is happening here? Okay, there it is. So, come on. There it goes. So we have X and Y. So let's do a couple numbers here. 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's think about what happens as X stands for. What do you think X stands for? Does X stand for month or rabbits? Can you tell it would be months? So can I go on the bottom of my thing here and label this as months? What is Y going to stand for? Isn't that the number of rabbits? So number of rabbits. And by the way, rabbits do multiply fast. That is an ugly A. Okay. So number of rabbits in months. So let's plug in some numbers here. So at 0 time, I mean what we started with, does this question tell us how many we started with? 2. Now think about if you're making 4 times as many bunny rabbits per month, think about how that table would go. Now hopefully you can see 1 month later, if I had 4 times as many bunny rabbits, 2 times 4 is 8. Now for the next month, if I have 4 times as many bunny rabbits,
64.
4 times 8 is 32. Now the next one, ooh. What's 4 times 32?
128.
It's 128.
Yeah.
Do you see how quick this is growing? If I went to the 4th month, do you see how big it is? Now bunny rabbits don't grow this quickly, the number of bunny rabbits, unless they're coming in from different places, they're having a party or something, I don't know. But this is a very fast growing population of bunny rabbits. So, according to what we have, I'm going to make my x-axis by 1s. And I'm going to make, because I go up to 120, almost 128, I'm going to go by 25s. Okay. You can go by whatever kind of you want, but I think that's some good numbers, for at least for the data we have. And then I'm going to plot these. Okay. So at 0, I have 2. Now, is 2 very easy to plot accurately? No. From 0 to 25. See, this is a span of 25 right here. Isn't 2 going to be like right there? And then 8, right there. But 32, oh, big jump. Do you see? After a while, it kind of, you can kind of see it better. So 2, whatever, somewhere down there. No clue. 8, not much different. But 32 is up here. Somewhere. Do you see how it's, I'm just kind of trying to put some dots. And then 128, isn't that right above 125? So isn't that right up here, kind of somewhere right in there? Now do you see the exponential curve? This is a growth. So you have an exponential growth. And you have months, you have rabbits, you have exponential growth graph. You are 4 timesing each time. All right, so what is the y-intercept? It's kind of hard to look, but hopefully you understand it's at 0. So it's 2. And if we did it in context, are you okay? It'd be 2 bunnies, but it'd be 2 rabbits. The y-intercept is 2 rabbits. If we wanted the context, rabbits could be good. The next question Is the graph increasing or decreasing? Hopefully you can tell it's getting bigger. So we can say it's increasing. I'll just underline it. So that's hopefully pretty simple. Next one. Why would the motto not make sense on the 4th year? First of all, you have to understand 4th year would be 12 months times 4. So 4 years equals 48 months. If you kept this pattern going for 48 months, the number is so big it's unrealistic. If you use a calculator to the math, it is way too big. Way, way, way too big. So this is not a good situation. It might be a good realistic situation for a couple months, but it's going to fall apart rather quickly. So that is, you just explained that. For the context, it doesn't make sense. You cannot physically have that many bunny rabbits. So you put something like that. You say, why would it not make sense? Way too many rabbits on Earth. There's actually too many rabbits for the whole entire Earth. It would be very bad. Okay, I'll show you some math on it in a little bit. Last one. Why is there no x-intercept? Well, if we started with 2 rabbits and we're growing, would there ever be nothing? Right? This thing's growing and we started with 2. So how would you ever have a x-intercept or have nothing rabbits if this was a true population? So how would you write that? Why is there no x-intercept? Maybe put something that starts with 2 rabbits and it's growing. That is not possible. So you started with 2 rabbits and the function is growing. So it's impossible. Hopefully that all makes some sense.